Hi children, let's write now some shapes. Learn to join letters, write nicely. Now, you look around in your house, look around in your classroom, you find everywhere shapes. Okay? Good. Now, let's look at the shape square. Now, where do you find the square shape in your house? Look around. If you look at the floor, look at the tiles in your house. Square shape. Yes, you have a cold. You take out your kerchief. What's the shape of the kerchief? Square. Very good. What about the window? Square. Very good. What about your cushion? You can also have a square table. Now, spell square. S Q U A R E square. Let's write it. Good. S Q U A R E square. Yes, you look at your maths notebook, you'll find lovely squares in it. Yes, good. Let's write the S capital. S Q U A R E square. Good. Now, you look around in your house again. Let us say the shape circle. Look around in your house, in your class. What is it? Circular. First of all, look at your face, your friend's face, your brother's face. It's almost a circle. Look at your eyes. The pupils are circle. Yes, very good. What else you find? Circle. Where else you find? Mama's bangles. Yes, bangles are circular. Very good. Where else? Look at the wall clock. Yes, you find sometimes clock in a circular form. Very good. Let's now write the spelling of circle. C I R C L E circle. Shall we write? Good. C I R C L E circle. Let's write the C capital. Yes, C I R C L E circle. Now, let's look at another shape. You wrote square, circle. Next, rectangle. Look at your dining table, your writing table, your teacher's table. What is the shape? Rectangle. Yes. Look at the doors in your house. What is the shape of the door? Rectangle. Very good. Look at your notebook. You have long notebooks, long textbooks. What is that shape? Rectangle. Very good. What's the shape of your pencil box? Rectangle. Now let's write. Let's spell rectangle. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Shall we write it? Good. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Shall we write the R capital? Look. R E C T A N G L E. Rectangle. Next, triangle. Tell me, where do you find this shape? Triangle. Now, I'm sure you love to eat. Shall I tell you what? Samosas. You like small baby samosas, big samosas? It's almost a triangle. Sometimes you see triangular tiles, you see triangular shape on the cloth, you will patterns. You will find sometimes wall clock too. Triangle. How do you spell triangle? Triangle. Triangle. Let's write the spelling triangle. Look. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Shall we write the T capital? Good. T R I A N G L E. Triangle. Look at the four shapes we've written. These are all plain figures. Look, spell SQUARE. Square. Give me an example of square. Where do you see? Tiles, wall clock, handkerchief. Very good. Now look at the next shape. Spell CIRCLE. Circle. Where do you find circular shape? Wall clock. Very good. Look at your eyes. Bangles. Good. Let's look at the next shape. What is this? Rectangle. 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 Where do you find the shape? Your table. Door. Very good. Your notebook. Next, what's the last shape? Triangle. Spell TRIANGLE. Triangle. Samosa. Almost a triangle. Good. Let's now take another set of shapes. Now, look around, think about it, and tell me the shape star. Where do you find the star shape? Good, the starfish. In the sea, there is a sea creature, a fish, which has the perfect shape of a star. Good. When do you put up stars on the road, in your house, in the school? What part of the year? Christmas time, December. You put up a star and put a light in it to make it look nice and bright. Star. Good. Where does the star twinkle? In the sky. You go up on a summer night, look at the sky, go to the terrace, look up. You'll find lots of stars twinkling in the sky. But you can't see them because they are very far, far away. What is the spelling of star? STAR, star. When does your teacher give you a star in your notebook? When you write perfectly. So we're going to write the spelling, joining the letters correctly. You also practice to get a star. Good. STAR. Star. Shall we write the S capital? Curd. S T A R. Star. Curd. What the next shape we'll write? We'll write the shape oval. Now, look at your face. Look at each other. See the face. Some of us have circular face, but sometimes we have long face and we say that is oval. Yes, that shape is called oval. When you go sometimes for parties or somebody's house, they do not have rectangular dining table, but they will have an oval shape. Have you seen? Good. Mummy, I'm sure, has an oval shape dish on the table for serving. Oval. Third, sometimes even wall clocks are oval shaped. Spell oval. O-V-A-L. Shall we write oval? Third. O-V-A-L. Oval. Let's write the O capital. Third. O V A L. Oval. Curd. Oval. Now, I'm sure you like to eat a particular kind of biscuit in the shape of a heart. Yes, in the shape of a heart. I'm sure you like to eat. What is that biscuit called? Heart biscuit. Yes. For your birthdays, Daddy gets you balloons in the shape of a heart. Yes, heart-shaped biscuits, heart-shaped balloons. And you like to draw and color heart. Yes? Third, how do you spell heart? H-E-A-R-T, heart. Third, let's write. H-E-A-R-T, heart. Let's write the H capital. H E A R T, heart. There's another shape that's called diamond. Yes, diamond shape. You like to color, isn't it? Now, sometimes mommy makes you diamond cuts at home. Yes, and you like that. Diamond. Where else you find diamond? Sometimes you can make a kite in the shape of a diamond. Yes, sometimes you find tiles in diamond shape. How do you spell diamond? D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Yes, shall we write? Third. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Let's write the D capital. D I A M O N D. Diamond. Look at the four shapes you've done. Spell. First one, star. S-T-A-R, star. Example, where do you see star? You can hang a star at the door. You can also, you have seen a starfish too. Yes, good. When does your teacher give you a star? When you write well. She'll put a, when you write neatly, teacher puts a big red star in your notebook and you're very Happy. Next, oval. OVAL, oval shape. Sometimes the serving dishes are oval shape. Yes, dining tables are oval shape. Some faces are almost oval shape. But the next one, heart. Spell Heart. Heart. You like to eat heart-shaped biscuits? Yes. Now you like to have a balloon, heart-shaped balloon for your birthday? Good. What's the last shape we have here? Diamond shape. Diamond. Diamond shape. You can make a diamond shaped kite to fly in the sky.